whip, bought it, crib, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with a YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if return subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Alrighty guys, so in today's video we're going to be getting ready. Okay, we're going to be transforming into this period. So today we're going to be installing this unit. This unit was sent to me by ULA. Thank you so much to ULA for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so freaking much. This hair is so bomb. I'm not going to tell y'all all the tea about the hair because y'all got to watch the video. But yes, if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this soft pink glam and install my wig like no other, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so first thing I'm doing here is we're just gonna go ahead and cut out my ear tabs. Y'all, I look so rough, but I'm so excited to transform with you guys, because if you guys watch my Get Ready With Me's, I always say sometimes when you're just not feeling yourself, you just need to do your hair, your makeup, and your nails, and it will solve some of your problems. Like, you'll just feel better. Okay, so yeah, I did go ahead and take my Ghost Bond, put that on the perimeter of my hair. Then I went in with the even spray and I put that down. So like I showed you guys, I wanted to show you guys what the structure of the wig looks like. This is a very thick wig. This is their 20-inch body wave wig. It was thick from ULA. I really appreciated that. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting off the excess wig cap, so we get that balding effect. Then I'm gonna go ahead and throw this wig on. This is what it looks like. I did go ahead and pluck off camera, but this hairline looks bomb.com. Ooh, so thick. Look at that. That's so much hair. The information, specs, density, everything will be linked down below in my description box for more details. So what I'm doing here is we're putting back the Ghost Bond glue. I did 2 layers. I did one on camera, but then the second one off camera. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I lay it down. So I got really close so I can show you guys. I put the hairline of the wig in front of my wig cap, right in front of it. Not too low, but right in front of it. Makes it look like it's coming out my scalp. And I also don't have that wig cap showing, because sometimes you can see people's cap under their lace, so that kind of like helps you hide that issue. Then I did go ahead and take more of the even lace spray, tie that down for 10 minutes, and now we are removing the lace, girl. Sorry, I get choked up after I eat. It's so weird. I don't know. Anyways, cutting out my ear tabs, and then now I'm cutting off the excess lace, and I'm getting pretty close to the hairline. And as you see, I'm still kind of maintaining that zigzag motion. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like adding the even lace spray makes my lay down not the best. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to continue using the even or just the glue, because yeah, there was a little lifting. But I go ahead with this spritz, and this is what's going to help with the meltdown. I spray that on my hairline, and then I tie that down. Okay, and I'm going to tie it down for like 15 minutes. Next up, we're getting into the edges. Guys, the video is moving fast because I do so many hairstyles. But for my edges, my homegirl Sine, shout out to Sine, thank you so much, girly, love you, girl. She did go ahead and do my edges for me. She used to be a hairstylist, so she was like, let me do your hair, and I'm like, well, she was like, let me do your edges, and I'm like, okay, sure, okay. So yeah, she did a great job with my edges. She did the typical like swoop-de-doop, but if you want a tutorial on how I do my edges myself, definitely check out my previous videos. So I decided today to go in with wand curls. I really wanted to do barrel, but I don't know how to use a barrel yet. So I did go ahead and just take these wand curls, and I'm just going to curl this all around my hair. Now, out of all the hairs I've ever used, I'm telling you, I don't know what it is about the texture of this hair. It's not the most like silkiest hair. I feel like it has just a tiny bit of like yucky or kinkiness to it, because the way it held a curl should have been a crime, girl. Like literally, I slept on these curls and woke up in the morning and my hair was still curly. Like, this wig holds a curl through humidity, it goes through a lot, and the curls stay there, okay? So what we're doing here is we're jumping into the makeup portion of things. I was going out to eat with my friend Sine and another homegirl of mine. So here, you know, we just had to get ourselves together, okay? We had to get that stuff together. So I did go ahead and do my eyebrows, which I have a detailed video on my channel on how I do my brows if you are interested. But after I did my brows, carved them out, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. So I did moisturize off camera, and then I'm taking my primer, Power Grip Primer, priming, and then now I'm going in my Juvias Place foundation, and I'm in shade Punta, which is 435, and I'm just rubbing that all over my face. If you guys are interested in the review of that foundation, you want to know if it's something that you should go for, I also did a previous video on that, so you can also check that out after you watch this video. Okay, don't be leaving me now, girl. We locked in. Just stay watching. So what I'm doing here is we are just going to go ahead and do my concealer method under eye, forehead, bridge of nose, and my chin, which this is called your T zone. Okay, so you see how it makes a letter T. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just blend this out. I start on my forehead, go to my chin. You guys will see how I do it. And if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, go ahead and join the family. We are lit over here. I'm all things beauty. Okay, so if you ever need help slaying your face, you could just look in the comments and see my girlies. Like, my teammates, they know what's up. I've helped so many girls with just slaying their makeup, learning how to do their hair, picking the right hair companies, just everything. And I'm also getting into lifestyle too, so if you want to know more about me, I also have vlogs on here. So yeah, join the family and just do it like Nike. Subscribe, okay? So now what we're doing here after we blended out our concealer is I'm going to go ahead and use my cream contour from Black Opal, and I'm just going to go ahead and contour. Y'all, my nose contour was cricket, okay? And a cricket nose contour goes for a cricket nose, so you definitely want to fix that. I did go ahead and fix it, but I'll show you guys what I do. So with my angled brush, I got from Wet n Wild, literally $1.25, because y'all know Dollar Tree is not $1 no more, but for $1.25 I literally got this angled brush. So I love to use inexpensive things if I can. I don't think there's a reason to spend extra money on something if it could be cheap and do the same thing. So I'm just taking a dense fluffy brush that I got from Real Techniques, and I'm blending it out. Also guys, I did get some new brushes from Shein that are supposed to be the dupes for Real Techniques, and I'm going to be doing a video on that, letting you guys know if they're good or not. Okay, so because my nose contour was a little bit like too dark, I did go ahead and reapply the concealer in the middle to kind of bring back, you know, my nose, because it was looking like it was missing. And then what I'm doing here is taking my Mercier setting powder on a powder puff, and first I'm setting my face. So as you see, I'm just pushing this powder into my face, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and bake. So first you want to set by pushing the product into your skin, and then you want to bake it. After that, any creams that you put on your face needs to be set with the powder so you don't transfer, so your makeup is not sliding everywhere. So you guys saw I did the cream contour, but now I'm going in with a bronzer on top of the contour, so it's set the same way we set our concealer. You want to set your cream contours. Then I went in with my Juvias Place Volume 5 blush, and I used the lighter shade, put that all over my cheeks because we're going for that pink vibe, so I really wanted that fun, flirty, you know, kind of face. And then here we are just putting on my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in medium warm, and I'm using that as a eyeshadow base. So guys, this palette from Beauty Bay is only $20. Okay, it's only $20. You guys saw how many shades you get. It is so bomb. I definitely recommend getting this palette if you're new to makeup and you don't want to spend too much money. Yeah, this palette is really, really good because it has a lot of colors. So I did go ahead in with the lighter pink first for my transition shade. That's shade 22, and then I did go ahead in with the deeper pink inside my crease to just give some more definition into the eyes and just, you know, just bring some deepness into it. Then I took my Juvias Place palette. You could take any palette that has a light cream shade, and you're gonna put that on your lid. Y'all, I don't know why I was so close to the camera, but then I took my Morphe palette and I put a shimmer on my lid on top of the cream shade. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. I am moving a little fast in this video because I was in a rush. Okay, like I did have people literally sitting in my room waiting for me, so yeah, I feel like I was rushing a little bit, but that's the great thing about YouTube. You guys can always go back, rewatch my videos, and sometimes I know I talk a little fast. You can always slow it down too. So after lining my my eyes, I did a little cat eye. Then I'm taking these lashes that I got from Amazon. They were new for me, but I did like them. I put those lashes on, and now we're taking my Studio Fix pressed powder from MAC, and I'm taking a shade that's closer to my skin tone and dusting off everywhere that has setting powder except for my under eye, because for my under eye we save it for a pressed powder that is brighter for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust it off, and then I'm gonna pat that pressed powder to really blur my under eye. Okay, if you guys haven't tried that technique from me, then I don't know what to say, because I say all the time you have to do it. It looks so good. You do not have to get the MAC. I like the MAC, but you can get like a cheaper one, like the Fit Me pressed powders or the Black Radiance pressed powders. But MAC is a good investment because that pressed powder is bomb.com. So what I'm doing here, after lining my waterline with black, I'm just smoking out with that deep pink, and then we're just gonna highlight with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my nose, my cheekbones, and I also put some under my brow bone. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is my cute little fan that I got from Amazon. I love it so much, so adorable. Every girl that sees this fan, they be like, it's so cute, where'd you get it from? So yeah, I got it from Amazon. And then I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the famous Nika K brown liner in Cocoa. You guys know I ran my pencil to the ground because I use it with almost everything. It is such a beautiful brown shade. Then for today's lip combo, I did that with the NYX in Fortune Cookie. I had a brain fart, but yeah, I did go ahead and do that because I knew it was like a pink light shade and it was just gonna go so good with the makeup look and the outfit. So this is what the hair is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and just comb out the curls with my hands. The hair gets big, so if you like big hair, definitely go get this wig, guys. This wig is so cute. I did not want to take this wig off. Like the way these curls just sat and it did not leave, like, oh, that just got me. That got me for real. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. It's 20 inches. I really like this length. It was like so, just not too long. Like not every time do we need a long bust down. We don't need 40 inches every time, okay? Yes, guys, I was in love. So I wanted to show you guys my outfit. You guys can check out my TikTok. I'm gonna do a try on haul, but this is actually something I got from Rainbows. It was just a cute velvet set. Very cute. You guys know pink is my favorite color. So yeah, that is the look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I had to do a complete transformation. Today we're going out to eat, so I did a quick little get ready with me. So if you like get ready with me, go ahead and comment down this emoji right here. If you want more content like this, comment this emoji right here. I love you guys so freaking much. This hair is so bomb. This hair holds a curl so well. Like, what hair you could run your nails through it like that and it just curls right back. This hair is so bomb. Shout out to ULA for sending me this gorgeous unit. If you are interested in purchasing this hair, all the information will be linked down below in the description box. Hopefully you guys like this tutorial, guys. I always do the regular natural glam, soft glam, but I'm like, let me do some color because I don't want y'all to get tired of me. So if you like this type of content too, with the colors and all this craziness, definitely let me know and I'll get more content like that for you guys. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, just do it like Nike. Give the video a big thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.